If you don't flip these 5 switches now, 2026 could be the year that your brokerage gets left behind. Now, I don't say that to scare you. I say it because I'm watching the gap widen every single day between brokerages that are quietly preparing for the future and those hoping the market will fix their problems. Here's the truth. There is more opportunity today to earn a profit than ever before at any point in history. How do I know that? Because I'm helping brokers do it every single day. So if you're serious about flipping your profitability switch from off to on to hyperspeed, then these 5 trends you need to pay attention to right now. Trend number 1, expense ratios are changing fast and AI is the biggest lever you have. The brokerage model is evolving, and the biggest opportunity to reduce expenses over the next 12 months is quite simple. AI will replace a significant amount of administrative labor. In unprofitable brokerages, labor costs often sit above 40% of the total margin. That's to say that 40 cents out of every dollar is spent on labor. In profitable brokerages, the number is closer to 25%. Now, imagine this for a second. If you could use technology to reduce wages by even 20%, what would that do to your bottom line? For most brokerages, it would be transformative. Trend number 2, bigger and more productive sales forces, or you cannot compete. Over the last 30 years, the size required to run a profitable brokerage has exploded. We've gone from needing fewer than 20 agents 20 years ago to needing 80 plus in many urban markets. Rural markets behave a little bit differently, but anywhere with a meaningful population, this applies. And the trend is that that number is still growing. The message is clear. Profitability depends on growth and productivity. You must scale with productive agents if you want your profitability to rise. Trend number 3. Mergers and acquisitions will continue to reshape the entire industry for the next 5 to 10 years. I believe 30% of the market share will change hands over the next decade. And here is the uncomfortable truth. If you're not on the receiving end of that shift, you will be on the losing end of it. Picture this for a minute. Your 2 largest competitors merge tomorrow. Would that change your competitive landscape? For most brokers, it would be a massive threat. This is the time to be proactive, not reactive. Trend number 4, end-to-end consumer experiences are becoming mandatory. AI and digital ecosystems are opening side doors in the transaction. Just look at this year. Rocket Mortgage bought Redfin. Think about that. A mortgage company bought a real estate company. 10 years ago, that would have been unthinkable. But today, we welcome the new end of the end-to-end real estate experience for consumers. Your strategic play is simple. Build your ancillary businesses, mortgage, title, insurance, or whatever fits for you in your market. These are the tools that will protect you from disruptors entering the transaction from every direction. Just like Zillow did 15 years ago, this is another major disruptive wave that is already here today. Trend number 5, the relationship business is your competitive advantage again. Recruiting and retention are becoming more personal because attention is the rarest currency in the world today. Think about this. People who do not know you often will not even answer the phone if you call. If we acknowledge that's true and that you don't have relationships with the agents you want to recruit, how do you reach them? Here's another question. Are you struggling to get agents to show up to meetings or pay attention to what you're doing in the brokerage? Well, most brokerages or most brokers, when asked, say yes. Why? Because competition for attention has never been higher. In 2026, brokers with the strongest relationships with their own agents and with agents across the street are going to win the war. Here's the conclusion. If you want 2026 to be the year you stop relying on the market and finally take control of your brokerage's profitability, then this is the next step. I created a program called Brokerage Made Simple, profitability for broker owners who want a proven roadmap to stronger margins, better systems, and consistent profit. If you're ready to flip these 5 switches and build a business that thrives in any market, enroll today.